Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to. Today we embark on a journey into the fascinating world of assisted reproductive technology, specifically focusing on in vitro fertilization, commonly known as IVF. If you're curious about the science behind creating life in a laboratory and helping couples overcome fertility challenges, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the miraculous realm of IVF. First and foremost, let's demystify the acronym. IVF stands for in vitro fertilization, a groundbreaking medical procedure that assists couples struggling with infertility to conceive a child. Unlike natural conception, where fertilization happens inside the woman's body, IVF involves combining an egg and sperm outside the body in a laboratory dish. Once fertilized, the embryo is then implanted in the woman's uterus with the hope of a successful pregnancy. Now, let's take a closer look at the step-by-step process of IVF. From ovarian stimulation and egg retrieval to fertilization and embryo transfer, each stage plays a crucial role in achieving a successful pregnancy. We'll discuss the medications involved, the role of fertility specialists, and the technology behind the laboratory procedures. Understanding the process empowers individuals and couples considering IVF to make informed decisions on their fertility journey. IVF is a versatile solution that addresses various fertility challenges. Whether it's blocked fallopian tubes, male infertility issues, or unexplained fertility problems, IVF has helped countless couples around the world build their families. We'll explore the common indications for IVF and shed light on when it might be recommended by fertility experts. While IVF has brought joy to many families, it's essential to be aware of the factors that can influence success rates. We'll discuss the importance of age, underlying health conditions, and lifestyle factors. Additionally, we'll touch upon the emotional and financial challenges that individuals and couples may face during their IVF journey. Embarking on an IVF journey can be emotionally taxing. We'll explore the importance of emotional support, both from healthcare professionals and within the couple's support network. Coping strategies, counseling options, and success stories of resilience will be shared to inspire hope and strength. As we wrap up this exploration of IVF, it's crucial to recognize the incredible strides that science has made in the field of reproductive medicine. IVF has provided a beacon of hope for countless individuals and couples, turning dreams of parenthood into reality. If you or someone you know is considering IVF, remember that knowledge is power, and there is a supportive community ready to assist you on this remarkable journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.